Hello everyone, this is the fourth part of our chapter C Fundamental. In previous part, we had learned different variables, identifiers, tokens, then operators, types of operator. Now in this part, we will learn first operator precedence. For evaluation of expression having more than one operator, means if in a single expression there is a more than one operator, there are certain precedence, means we know the certain order and associativity rules to solve this in a C programming language. Okay, this operator precedence useful for evaluation of expression having more than one operator. There are certain precedence and associativity rules are defined in C language. Means in a single expression, if there is more than one operator, then which operator, which two operations, okay, which two operands will work on this operator. So for this, we need to know the operator precedence. Okay, the operator having a higher precedence carried out first than the operator having lower precedence. And see, here is the different categories and the operators, symbols and associativity, okay, of the operator. In postfix, see if there is a different operators. See, these are the different operators. These are opening, closing. These are the having the associativity left to right. Okay. Then unary operator. Okay. Next one is unary operator. Which are the unary operators? These are the different unary operators having the right to left associativity. Then multiplicative operator, then additive operator, then shift operator. These are the different types of operator. Here is a different symbols for this operator. Here is the operator. See, this comma operator having the lowest precedence. Comma having the lowest precedence and it is from the left to right. Okay. So let's see the one example to understand this precedence. See, here is the one example. Okay. Here is the one example. A into B minus C divided D less than E plus F. So how to solve this? Okay. So first check the higher precedence operator. So we know that multiplication and division having the same priority and this addition and subtraction having the same. So first we will complete this. Okay, A into B. So first try to find out the A into B. Okay, after this the higher priority C divided by B. So then after this perform the C divided by D. Okay, and see here is a less than this A plus A. Okay, so first we need to calculate the answer of this part, this side part, and then after this we will calculate this. So after this subtract this A into B minus C divided by D. So then after this calculate this. Then after calculating of the right hand part, then calculate the left hand part, that is E plus F. So calculate the E plus F and after this operate this sign. Okay, use this sign on this whole A into B minus C divided by D less than E plus F. So in this way you can use the operator precedence to solve this expression. Okay, and after this we will see the managing input and output. What is mean by input and what is mean by output? Okay, we are taking the data by using the input devices, means by through the keyboard or through the mouse. We are accepting the data in our program, and this is known as input stream. Okay, input stream provides this data. Okay, the data taken from the input devices. This input stream provides this data to the program. Okay, and then program process. Okay, the processing is there, and after this output stream will display your data on your output devices. Means through the keyboard I'm entering the information, I'm doing this giving us some input to the program, and after processing I got a result on my monitor, on my desktop. So this is your data on output device. Okay, and this data sent by output stream. Okay, so there is a two types of main two types we are using the here, standard input stream, standard output stream. Okay, here first one is standard input, standard output, and the sometimes we are using the standard error. Okay, standard error display device file. Okay, so we are using this three types: stdin, stdout, and stdin. Okay, standard input means stdin, standard output means std out, and sometimes we are using the stderr. And we are using the header file stdio.h for standard input and the standard out. See, we are using this stdin, stdout, and stderr is the input stream, output stream, and the error stream. We are using this. Okay, and the printf function outputs a formatted values to the std out. Means printf, it is a function for writing the output on your console. So we are using the printf function. Okay, this is a function of output stream, std out. Okay, see, here we are using the different function, input output function. Some are the formatted input output function and some are the unformatted. What is mean by formatted and unformatted? Okay, formatted function means what and unformatted function means what? Formatted function allows the input read from the keyboard or the output displayed on the screen to be formatted as per our requirement. Means as per your requirement, you can write in a double quote format string and then parameter double quote and all. Okay, but in unformatted string, this is not allowed. Okay, unformatted IO functions are function. They can deal with a single character. These functions are deal with a single character and a string of character. Okay, but this is not allowing the any type of a formatting for the your data. Okay, and here is a different function: scanf, scanf, printf, printf, and the unformatted functions also. Okay, we are see here is a scanf. Scanf means what? To read the data from the user. We are using the function scanf to read the data from the user in formatted. Okay, and also we are using the fscanf function. Similarly, we are using the printf and fprintf for the output. Okay, printf means what? The formatted output function. And inside the printf, you can do the data in a double quote. You can write the message as per your requirement. And for this, we are using the different format specifier. Okay, to print the data or to read the data, we are using the different format specifier. Format specifier means we are writing the %d for the integer, %c for the character, %f. Okay, these are the different format specifier. %c for the character, we are using %c. Then also you can use the %f for the floating type number. Then %s for the string number. Or suppose you are using the integer number, then you need to declare it as a percentage. So we are using this different format specifier in formatted functions. Okay, in formatting we are using the printed, scanf, and all. Okay, all things is about the formatted. Now we will see the unformatted function. In unformatted function, there is a different function getC. GetC means what? GetC means what? Get a single character as a input means a getC. GetS means what? Get a string from the user. So getC or getChar function. These are the different functions. These are the unformatted function. You can't use the formatting tabs or the any type of formatting inside this. Okay, and then output function is put C. See, get C to accept the single character, put C to display the single character. Then put S function. We are using the get S function accept a single or multiple character of a string, including the space from the standard input device. Okay, but see, when if you want to accept the one string with the space, you can accept by using the getS only. It is not possible using the scanf. Okay, because scanf is not allowing you to accept the multiple string, but getS allows you to put the multiple string. And putS to display the multiple string. We are using the putS function. Okay, we are using this putS function. Also, we are using the different function like getch, getch, then getch, putch. These are also the different types of character input output functions. Okay, there is a two category: formatted and unformatted functions. We will see the detailed example of this so you will understand better.